I am going to grow American persimmon trees. I have been on the internet and can't seem to find an answer to my question. After persimmon seeds germinate, is there any care needed like pruning, or do I just let grow how they grow? And this is Nathan. So what do you think about that, Natalie?
Yeah, this is a native fruit that we are getting more questions about. So it's always fun to hear that folks are trying novel crops. So one of my first questions would be, what is the purpose of the persimmon crop? Is it just to support wildlife? Because when we're talking about American persimmons, we're not talking about, we're not talking about the large Asian persimmons that those, here and further south are familiar with as a, as a grocery store type of option. So what is the purpose? Is it just an ornamental tree? They can be large, right? And so we want to make sure that we understand whether this is just kind of a wildlife supporting ornamental or whether there are some production goals. There probably aren't as stringent pruning suggestions on persimmons as what we would see in an orchard for apples or peach. So it would be more about good overall structure, removing crossing limbs, making sure that you're reducing damage and any damaged areas and things like that. Sometimes American persimmon is actually used as a rootstock for Asian persimmons. So, just think about if there are more genuine fruit production goals, depending upon the area of the country.
Yeah, maybe they really want Asian persimmons possibly.
Yeah, so that's just an important question.
Yeah.
That's good. Celeste, anything you want to add to that?
No, I think Natalie's has covered that well, definitely.
Minimum, pruning.
I mean, I know some fruit crops, like you said, they encourage them to come in and top them to help them branch and make those scaffold branching. But again, it depends on what your goal is,
Yeah, most people are kind of using them as a native, ornamental.
Support wildlife, just kind of improve your biodiversity,
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.